This contractor friend of mine, they bought these blocks, and the homeowner wants them cut down extremely thin. Of course, the only way I could see to do it is with the stationary bandsaw. I don't want to ask why, I just ask how many and how small. This small, I might try to go a little bit smaller, but golly, I got a feeling if I do, that blade's gonna shift on me going down through there. And this is white oak, which is extremely hard, but we're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 of these, and that way if I screw one up, one of the big ones, then I'll just have to buy another one, or maybe I'll just leave them alone. I mean, these are almost paper thin anyway, so I think I'm doing a pretty good job so far. I make a jig, and then on top I got 2 screws to hold it in place, and then I've got the back side so it doesn't kick it out. Take out my high-tech locking system. Nothing better to do than sitting out drinking warm water and watching a bandsaw run. Well, now what I'm doing, I'm cutting these ends off, and there again, I don't ask why, I just say okay. So that's what they're going to wind up with.